I want a brunch that's super decadent and rich, filled with syrup and butter, all those yummy things. But I also like to make recipes that are healthy and good for you, but are still delicious, just like this breakfast salad. Now, what do I have over here? I know. I told you that it's gonna be healthy, but a little bit of bacon is perfect. Everything in moderation. And who doesn't like some crispy bacon, right? I just need this to cool, and in the meantime, I'm gonna get started on my dressing. And it all begins with a little bit of fiery ginger. It's just so fresh in a dressing, and it's really good for you. It's an anti-inflammatory and helps a lot with digestion. A little garlic, because you know, I put that in just about everything, but not only do I love the flavor, it also helps lower cholesterol. So it's a win-win. Some fruity extra virgin olive oil. This is when you use the good stuff. And I love that zing from apple cider vinegar. A nice bright lemon, perfect in here. And there's really nothing like fresh lemon juice. For a little bit of heat, a little spiciness, I'm using Dijon mustard. And this helps emulsify. It's just a fancy word for saying it makes a super creamy dressing. Hint of honey, which is sweet. And I mean, honey is perfect for anything that says brunch. Now watch this come together. I need to try this. It is one of those dressings that just pops. It's gonna be great in the salad. Now, one of the things I love in the morning is a fresh ruby red grapefruit. Look at that color. And this is gonna pair up really well with the buttery avocado. And I'm sure you're wondering, I mean, it is brunch. Where are the eggs? Well, that's gonna be the protein in the salad. Time to assemble the salad, starting with the soft, buttery lettuce. And I love the way this all comes together because it's really about layers of flavor and seeing all those ingredients. Really showcases them nicely. The trick to the avocado is to slowly get it on here and just fan it out. Take your time with it. The best part about this salad is that you can just grab a little bit of everything because you see what's in it. And listen, this salad would not be complete without some crispy bacon. And a little goes a long way because you really want this salad to be healthy. Speaking of healthy and fresh, that grapefruit. So pretty. For a pop of color and some extra iron, some blueberries. That one went over for a reason. And for some crunch and some extra nutrients, some pepitas. All this is missing is that fiery ginger dressing. And it's so creamy. Right over top. They say you eat with your eyes first. This really is a feast for your eyes. Time to try some. Gotta get a little of everything on here. Oh my goodness, look at that avocado, egg. Gorgeous. Alrighty, it's time to try this. Lettuce, little avocado, grapefruit. This tastes just like brunch. Buttery egg, buttery avocado. It goes so well with the salty bacon and that crunch from the pepitas, and everything just freshens up with a bite of grapefruit. I couldn't think of a more refreshing way to start the day.